Okay, and I'm starting to shave a little before going out of this mess. And you see the skin, like the skin, how it is attacked, how it is attacked. It's not normal, right? And every single time when I shave myself, the skin is like this. This is what they do to my skin so that I would have when I age, so that I would have skin falling out, basically. And now that I am shaving, the battery is red. Why it's being, well, like, normally this is for the amount of use, for the time I have been using it, it's not supposed to be in the red right now. So what I am going to do is that I'm going to plug this to the battery or something like this, and I'm going to continue to shave like this. And of course my mind is being jammed right now as if it was not enough. So what's going on is that they are sending a message to the universe, to all the aliens in the entire universe, and they are saying that if you come to planet Earth, or if you come anywhere close to a human, you're going to be locked up somewhere because they want to test on you and to kill you. And there is no other reason for that than superstitions from primitive species. This is what's going on right now. This is the message that they are sending to the universe. They are sending to the universe this following message: if you come to Earth, if you are on Earth, we're going to track you down, to lock you up in cages, to torture you, experiment on you, and kill you, to drain your power with ineffective measures that we believe being effective measures, because we are manipulated and we are sick in our fucking heads, and because we don't know how to heal ourselves. And therefore, by doing this, we are also killing ourselves. So if you come to our planet, we're gonna kill ourselves and kill you at the same time. This is what they are actually doing. This is the message that they are sending. We're gonna lock you up, we're gonna torture you, we're gonna track you down with all we got to make sure that you will suffer for as long as possible. This is the message that they are sending to the rest of the universe right now. I don't know if it's something that is good for business with other planets or other species. I'm not sure. I'm not sure that you'd become richer than being rich in the fakest way ever on this planet. I don't know if that's something that's possible. Also, what they are saying to the other species, intergalactic species that are populating this planet right now and that were here before, they are saying, we do not want you to live with us because this planet belongs to us, and because therefore your body belongs to us. This is the message that they are sending to the other intergalactic species that are currently living on this planet and that were here far longer before humanity was here. This is what they are saying. They are saying we are completely crazy. We cannot do anything else than putting up this type of schemes to get ourselves out of misery, basically. Or I don't know, we don't know how to do better than this because we're fucking idiots. So if you want to survive this, you have a choice to make, because we're going to kill you anyway. We're going to destroy everything, we're going to kill you. So you have a choice to make. Either you leave, either you kill us, either you let us killing you. This is the thing that's going on right now. Either you leave and you let us killing ourselves without in war, not at peace, but in wars. Either you let yourself be killed by us, either you kill us. This is what they are currently doing, currently sending as a message. And I have been requiring for humanity to be killed once again, at least 10, 11 times. Because I am in a fucking underground section where everything is locked up.